Okay, we're back with another video. It's been a minute since I've done one of these. I'm trying to get back in the rhythm of things. We're on a bit of a time crunch. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Normally I just do like I bought a part for the Evo and installed a part and all that good stuff. This is kind of like a vlog, like a day in the life vlog kind of situation. It's Friday. I just got off work and I, as a last minute thing, got invited to a car meet out in Vegas. I live in southern Utah, so it's gonna take about 2 hours to get to Vegas. What's cool about this is, I don't know if Sema's still going on, but I mean, they've been actively in Vegas for like the past 2 or 3 days. So hopefully I'll get to see some pretty cool cars when I'm out there. We gotta clean the car first. It's not horrible, but I also don't want my car to be the dirtiest one out there. So let's get it. Heck yes. We actually found a booth that wasn't being used. Normally I have to wait like an eternity to get one of these things. Just gonna do as good on time. Now that the car is clean, we have to head home so that we can get the camera. In my spare time, I do like to do like automotive photography. I tried charging people like dirt cheap, like 70 bucks a photo shoot. I wasn't getting enough feedback from it, so I stopped doing that. I kind of just do it for fun. I'll show you some photos of the stuff that I'm capable of, or the stuff that I've done in the past, but yeah, pretty much that's what I like to do. I like to go to car meets. I'll take photos of other people's cars. If I happen to know them, I'll send them the photos. And I don't charge for any of the stuff. It's just a nice little thing I do. I figured if someone took a photo of my car, I'd really appreciate it if I got the photo, so that's what I do for others. This video is brought to you by today's sponsor. It's me. I'm the sponsor. Everything I do to this car is out of my own money. So if you want to support that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the share button, go tell your friends, go tell your mom, comment, like, hit the bell notification. It's going to help the channel a tremendous amount. And I can keep giving you guys this content. So with that being said, let's go back to the video. All right.
You brought your camera?
Yeah, say hi to YouTube.
Yo.
GoPro.
El GoPro.
I forgot mine at home. I was gonna bring it.
So you brought the Z, huh?
Yeah.
Did you paint the front?
Huh?
Oh, the front's still not painted? And then Jerry with the 5.0. All right, pues.
Hey guys, you gonna get something to the store?
Just a drink.
All right,
Yeah.
we'll wait in the car and let us know when you're ready.
All right, for sure. When we go through the gorge, are you guys gonna go pretty aggressive? No? Chilling?
Yeah, cruising.
All right, cool.
Why?
I just wanted to know whether to mount this on my face or not.
Nah, we're gonna cruise it the whole way.
What's up?
LED tail lights, the sequential ones.
Bro, I have them at the house.
No.
I got the full LED ones, yeah.
No, why haven't you installed them?
I'm lazy.
Nah, dude, that's crazy. But you know what will make it look clean? Will be the tail lights, but you already have them. Like an exhaust in the roof. Like the
Black roof, yeah.
Dude, that's all content right there.
I know, but I don't want to wrap the roof because then it just gets crusty, yeah. So I'm going to paint it. I've got stuff in mind, but I mean, dame el dinero.
Help me, I'm poor.
That's the thing. The money.
Money.
Put money on these cars.
All right, you guys practical ready?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good, man. Let's hit the road. Sheesh, the lineup goes hard. Nismo Z. 5.0. And my Evo. Woohoo! Shooting flames! Frenchie with the flames, bro. That's crazy. That is insane. All right, we got 2 hours on the road. I think we're gonna get some tacos when we get into Vegas. So I'll see you guys then. Hello?
Yo, what you doing?
Sorry. I got you on my... Oh, Jackson. Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, what you doing?
I'm in Vegas.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, damn. Okay. Dope.
Yeah, it was Sema this week, so I just last minute decided to go to a car meet out here, so hopefully I get to see some pretty decent cars.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I didn't know if you were gonna do anything with us tonight. I was just hoping to see what you were doing, but never mind then.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna be chilling with Carson. He's out here too.
Cool. All right. Well, you have fun.
All right, take it easy, bro. I think Kendall's doing something, so you might hit him up. He said something about going out.
No, I know he is. I just didn't hear anything about you, so I just figured I'd call you. But you're busy, so.
All right. Okay. See ya.
Cool. See ya.
Straight big bag, bro.
5 minutes later.
And just like that, we done. All right, so how far away is the meet? 15 minutes? 20.
Take a picture of it.
Just got done eating some tacos. Now we're gonna go pick up Carson. He's in Chinatown or something like that. So
hello, camera. What's up, gang? What's up, YouTube?
All right, Carson, I'm gonna put you on blast.
So,
because on my channel I do have a coilover video with your Toyota Chaser on there.
that is true.
So explain what happened to the Chaser.
It is no longer with us, unfortunately. Got wrecked. It's going a little too fast on the tow gate. But new things are coming. New car will be here soon.
What are you getting now? You want it to be a surprise or?
Definitely a surprise.
Yeah,
Definitely
let's leave it a surprise.
Let's leave it a
Okay.
surprise, but big things are coming, okay? Mark my words.
So stay tuned. Bro, the lighting on this parking lot is horrible.
I know.
They're rolling in slowly. This thing starts at 8. What time is it?
7:47.
7:47. Epa.
You're like, oh,
Dude, that truck almost killed me.
it was like,
He was, yeah, I was like, jeez. Should I go carbon fiber like this Evo?
It's hard to say.
Or not?
If I get it, I'm bidding on it.
Yeah?
Eventually, in like 2 days, when it's the final day is on.
Are you bidding on it like on the same website that you got the chaser
It's
on?
on Cars and Bids, yeah. And it's in Colorado. I'll give you a hint. It's an import. It's right-hand drive.
You can tell me. I'll edit it out of the video.
Yeah.
How about this? YouTube, you don't get to know, but I do.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess we're going to another meet. You ready, Terry?
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
White Nissan, that's a cool whip.
Can't even fill up. There ain't no 91 at this freaking gas station in the middle of Las Vegas.
87, really?
87. Ain't no way, bro.
None of them have it. Yeah.
All right, well, I guess I'm just getting a drink.
Not sponsored by NOS, by the way.
Nas, feel free to reach out to me so I could get sponsored.
So you know.
Just back up. You want me to do it?
I can see these.
Oh, you got that easy. You can just back
Oh,
up.
I don't see the record.
I was recording you. I was like,
Please.
Yeah,
sorry.
you got it, Luke.
here, I got it.
Just take it easy.
You can hold up. Oh my god.
Sorry, stuff like this happens.
It's front wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Oh boy. I don't know if I can.
Don't kid. Alright.
Yeah, let's push it.
It needs weight right here. Oh, we almost got
Hey,
it.
maybe if we push forward. Go forward.
Yeah, let's try going forward.
Yeah, but put the steering wheel that way. That way. Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Alright, alright.
Oh my god.
Yay.
I'm sorry. Sorry, night.
Hey, it's alright. Pals, dude. That's insane.
It won't let me go. This is crazy. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Okay. Miata. Oh, R34?
GTST.
It's still an R34, my guy. I'll take it. The Skyline. Woo! Look at that. I take it. I take it. What do you think, Paxton?
It's pretty wild.
Yeah?
Definitely not in St. George.
I think this is, yeah, we're not used to this. St. George is really, really mellow compared to this.
Cranked up a notch.
It's also like SEMA week, so
Yeah.
I think that has a lot to do with it. Spitting fuel on the Tesla.
That's why that thing's all wet.
Dude, literally spitting fuel on the Tesla is the most ironic thing I've ever seen. Dude, Lambo with a bike rack is crazy. This is something else, man. So much money just sitting in this parking lot right now. I am such a sucker for this lavender purple color.
That's pretty sick.
I thought of wrapping the Evo this color at one point.
That
Yeah.
would be sick too. I like that. Oh, it's a snake guy.
Yeah. Dude, this thing's actually really clean. Too bad you can barely see it in the dark. R7. One day. One day, I'm gonna get this thing.
The R7?
R7 in blue.
Oh shit, we got cops, 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 cops! Go, get the car, go!
Okay, we're gonna wrap it up here. Cops just showed up, so everyone's about to leave. And we're gonna head back into St. George. Let me know if you liked the content, if you enjoyed it. I'll try to make as much as I can.
Oh my god.
Paxton, shut the door.
Shut the door already. Hey, lock that
Letting
thing,
the
bro.
smoke come in.
Dude, the guy that works at that shop.
Tell me in the comment section which car you thought you liked the most. Tell me what you didn't want to see in the video. Give me some feedback because I want to make these videos better for you guys. You guys are the ones that, you know, the main audience, right?
Target.
Yeah, target audience. I hate doing this, you know?
It's alright, we did.
I know.
We get AI to do it for you.
For real, bro. Oh, I'm tired. All right. Well, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Carson, what do we say?
Peace out, buddies.